Ever wondered why understanding statistical distributions matters in everyday life? Well, delve into the world of statistics, and you'll find it's less about numbers and more about understanding patterns, making predictions, and making informed decisions. First on the list is the normal distribution. Picture a bell curve in your mind. It's symmetrical, with the majority of data clustering around the mean or average. This distribution is defined by two parameters: the mean, U, and standard deviation, sigma. The mean pinpoints the center of the distribution, while the standard deviation measures the spread of data around this mean. For instance, consider the heights of all the students in a school. They are likely to follow a normal distribution, with most students of average height and fewer students at the extremes of very tall or very short. Next, we have the binomial distribution. This distribution describes the number of successes in a fixed number of independent trials with the same probability of success. It's defined by two parameters, and which is the number of trials and p, the probability of success in a single trial. Think of flipping a coin 10 times. The number of heads, successes you get, is an example of a binomial distribution. Lastly, there's the Poisson distribution. This one describes the number of events happening in a fixed interval of time or space. It's defined by just one parameter: lambda, the average number of events per unit of time or space. An example, counting the number of emails you receive in a day. If you receive an average of 10 emails per day, the actual number of emails you receive on any particular day can be modeled by a Poisson distribution. These distributions aren't just abstract mathematical concepts. They are tools that help in understanding the world around us, from predicting stock market trends with normal distribution to modeling the spread of a virus with a Poisson distribution. To summarize, normal distribution is a bell-shaped curve defined by the mean and standard deviation. Binomial distribution describes the number of successes in a fixed number of independent trials, and Poisson distribution counts the number of events in a fixed interval of time or space. Each distribution serves as a unique lens through which we can analyze and interpret data. Understanding statistical distributions equips us with the tools to make sense of the randomness in the world. It helps us predict, make decisions, and ultimately navigate through life a bit more confidently. So next time you're faced with a heap of data, remember these distributions. You'll find they make the task a whole lot easier.